Here, what do you think it is?
Go look and see, Red.
Here, will you film? Will you film it, baby? Because it keeps changing shapes like the stars do.
Yeah, it is.
I can't hold it still. Looks like a balloon to me. Here, see what you think. Looks like a white balloon.
It's really shiny.
That's the sun glaring on it. Looks like a white balloon to me. It's up in the right where the wind stops, goes different ways.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I know. We used to go ballooning, and you go up that high, you might be going the opposite way. That's how we found out where we're going. You come down, it takes you one way.
So not a balloon.
Not a balloon?
No.
Satellite? What is it?
It lights up.
Could be the reflection of the sun, but I don't know.
No, that's something.
It's a perfect red. It looks like a pearl.
It looks like a satellite orbiting Earth.
I'm gonna get my fucking glasses.
No, it just changed into two and then back to orange. It's morphing. It morphs.
It just morphed big time.
It morphs.
Let me see.
Birdie likes it. Whoever he is, Birdie likes it.
This fucking string piece of shit.
Oh, it's morphing, isn't it? You see it on here? Oh, ow.
Coming this way, whatever it is.
Cool. Hi. What are you doing? We wouldn't hurt you. Are you in trouble? You need some help? What's wrong? What's wrong? You alright?
It's a freaking weather balloon.
Is it?
I can see it tied and everything.
Yep.
It's a weather balloon. Out away from it.
Yeah, probably to your eyes. That's what it
You
does
look at
like.
it, and you see the tie on it.
Yeah.
Got a nipple on the back side of
I
it.
see it too.
See it?
Yeah, it's a weather balloon.
Now the sun's going up, man. There's two lights now. Oh, I got it now.
Oh, there's something behind him.
That's what I said.
Oh, it won't come in my camera no more. It won't come in my camera no more. Baby, you can, oh, here it is. Good, he's got help.
It's a weather balloon or something.
Mm-hmm.
It went up higher. I was seeing two at once when I left with these. Looks like a weather balloon. You can see the glare off it now from here. Somebody probably let that go. You ever let up a big balloon? You fill them up with helium, they go way high.
They don't just stay in one spot, that's for damn sure.
No, it's moving around a little bit.
Yeah, not really.
What do you do with the bag? We're not gonna go this way.
Rainbow colors. It is rainbow colors. It's beautiful.
Hello.
It's not a rainbow balloon.
Not a weather balloon.
It's not a weather balloon, no. It's doing the same thing stars do, and the moon does in my camera. It's
really close.
It is really close.
It's a UFO.
Yeah, but it's
Unidentified flying object. As crazy as that sounds. That's what it is.
That's what it is. And the birds love it. And it's good to the animals. And us, what is it doing? Does it need help? What's wrong with them?
It's like stuck in our atmosphere.
Does it get stuck?
It's like a time warp.
Does it get stuck?
I don't know, my neck. Small ache in it.
You got stuck. Wow, man. My goodness. How are you gonna get out of there? We gotta get you out of there so you can get moving. What are you doing, honey? It's not a weather balloon. No, 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 not at all. Very interesting night, for sure. Day. He's moving. He's moving for sure. He moved over. Good. Maybe he's getting out of here. You getting out of here, buddy? You getting out of here? Ah, I love the cocktail. Will you take his picture?
It just disappeared. He came back.
He moved a lot because when he was first here, he was all the way over here.
Mm-hmm.
So he is moving.
Here, you want to take over?
Yeah. I'm gonna come back out and check it in a little while.
Yeah.
My neck. My neck.
Oh, you put a hair thing in?
Yeah. I offered my help if he needs it. We did.
You do realize that